Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Taikyokills. Thank you for tuning in. We are back with another unboxing try-on video. We've got the Gianno Ox Parfait Pink colorway. Now, before we begin, I want you to invite the like button out to a party, but instead, when you text him the directions, text him to a remote, like freaking place out in the middle of the mountains.
I don't think we're in Kansas anymore. What do you mean?
Alright, get them like super lost. Hit that like button for me. Now, this is my second unboxing try-on video of the Gianno Oxes. My first one was the Skylight colorway, so if you guys haven't seen that, go check that out for me. This one is the Parfait Pink. So for you guys that are new here, I like to give an in-depth review, unboxing on the shoe myself, being this is my second, technically third pair. The Evergreen, I have a video coming with the Evergreen colorway as well, alright? I got these from StockX, and I think I paid $192. These are gonna range you from, you know, like on a super low end, 97 bucks to about $247. I wouldn't pay more than $247 for them. Now, of course, if you have like super giant big feet, then you may have to pay more because, I mean, I'm sorry, man, you guys are just big feet. It is what it is.
It is what it is.
It is what it is. But you shouldn't be paying more than $247 for us, like normal size guys and gals, you know what I'm saying, and whatever else you may identify as. So, without further ado, let's get into it. Now, I warn, if you guys like are in the Reddit or on my Instagram, follow my Instagram by the way if you haven't, and you've already seen that I've had a pair of the Parfait Pinks. So I've worn these already, obviously. Now these are gonna come with, like all the other Gianno Oxes, a separate pair of shoelaces rather. So you could actually swap these up from obviously the pink to more of a, looks like a vanilla type color. Now the actual colorway on this is known as French vanilla and Parfait Pink. The Parfait Pink being obviously the pink accents and the French vanilla being the white and the kind of beige accents, which could be comparable to the Biscotti Giannos if you guys haven't seen. There are other colorways as well. I believe there are two other colorways. Actually, there's more, but I'm speaking specifically about the Biscotti. So I'm actually gonna get up close so you guys can see, like you guys can get really close in and see. So I'm gonna switch camera angles and get actually behind the camera so I can show you guys these details in depth. So let's get into it. All right, so now you guys can see the shoe a lot closer. You can see the materials a lot better. Now the shoe boasts various different types of material, especially around the collar area. It features that mesh here, nylon mesh. We've got some leather here with the FLEUR printing logo there. Now this shoe is a collab between FLEUR and Converse. Tyler came up with this original silhouetted shoe based upon like his being influenced by the 90s BMX type shoe. Now technically this is a hiking shoe. Now obviously, like I said in my previous videos, I won't be hiking in these, but you know, more power to the people who do. I just I just got too much appreciation for the shoe. I know Tyler be like, nah nigga, go hike in the fucking shoe, bro. Quit being a fucking bench, you know what I'm saying? But it's like, nah bro, not everybody rich.
Remember, I was rich, so I bought me some new emotion.
Chill, you know what I'm saying? So the tongue area also features the Converse logo. Now both shoes actually have different logos. That one features the FLEUR logo, that one features the Converse. I thought that was pretty cool as well. The midsole features that EVA ethyl vinyl acetate.
Smart brother, you so damn smart.
Material, which is a super high flexible type material, and it's super shock absorbing as well. So it's gonna be good for your foot, your heel, your sole overall. The bottom features that high tracking rubber, which again goes back to Tyler being influenced by those BMX 90 shoes, and this being a hiking shoe by nature, by trait. So on the back here, we got this little freaking kind of like a, I don't know what this is. I don't even know what you would call this. I like when I researched this shoe, I looked for like a name of it. So just call it like the little pull tab thingy, the little thingy. I don't know what that is. Like I wouldn't use like this to pull my shoe off, but I don't know, whatever that is, it has that, right? So again, we've got the different shoelaces on which you can accent, swap those out. On the inside, we've got the FLEUR printing. We've got the CONVERSE printing. I still, you know, put those moldable little freaking papers back in after I use the shoe to keep it just in place as much as I can, you know. So that's really it with this shoe. Now, of course, I'm gonna do the try on so you guys can see. I wear a 9.5, so you guys will get a really good dig in to see how these fit and how these will look on a 9.5 foot and what you could pair it with clothing wise. Now, a quick little tidbit, a little fun fact here, because I didn't know this shit and I'm uncultured. Parfait means perfect in French. Now, me being American, because America and all that, I thought that it was the freaking dessert. Now, I knew the dessert was French, but I thought parfait just meant parfait, like the dessert, but no, it means perfect. So, which is also crazy because, you know, freaking Tyler has that song with Taikyokills, that perfect, and it actually says in the video parfait. So that's also a little something pretty cool there for you guys. So, all right, I'm gonna stop running my damn mouth now and go get to the try on. Let's get it, guys.
All right, guys, so as you can see, we're not in the same room because I finally decided to take care of that little green crack on my door frame. And I started taking it up with the scraper and it just didn't end well. So I'm gonna have to repaint over that. So for now, we're in my kitchen, right? So here are the Giannos. Now I paired this with a pastel pink / cream sweater, slightly over large, not on purpose. I would definitely, if I were you, if you do like this kind of variation, go with a more fitted sweater unless baggy's your style. This is just a long story and I got stuck with it. So I had to make it work, right? Being that this is pink, especially pastel pink, you can go this with any neutral color. Depending on who you ask, you'll get 5 million definitions of neutral colors, but essentially, you know, they're your beige, cream, black, you got olive, green. There's a bunch of different neutral colors, and I'll throw some palettes up there, just samples of what they are. So you could definitely go neutral with this. As far as shoestrings, there's 2 ways you can rock this shoestring wise. Now, there could be various other ways, but you guys are more creative than me, I don't know. So you could either wear this inside the pant leg or outside the pant leg. If I were you all, I'd definitely do inside the pant leg and kind of conserve this for more your shorts, capris kind of thing, leaving it like that where you can shoot the shoelaces. But that's just because of me. Like, I've worn these with the shoelaces out as well with pants, so I guess it just depends on my mood, I guess. I don't know, right? So I just went with the bucket hat, paired it with a white shirt. This is actually your typical freaking, well, I guess, you know, you can't even say Tyler style, because yeah, Tyler is popularizing it, but I mean, it's been a while, you know, it's that preppy style, some call it that old granddad style, you know, so there's different ways you guys can do this, you know, just be comfortable, always be confident when you're rocking whatever it is what you're rocking, because that speaks volumes within itself. You're not always gonna have, you know, put on that fit and, you know, everybody's gonna be like, damn, that's just not always gonna happen, you know, unless you're just surrounded by yes people. So, you know, you've got to take those chances to elevate your game and elevate your style, you know what I'm saying? So that's really it for this try on, guys. I'm gonna get in so you guys can see the shoe details on feet a little bit more, so just stay there. We'll switch up the camera angle here. All right, guys, now I do have my flash on for this portion, just so you guys can see the reflective accents around the shoe, around the eyelets, the outer, and the back right here. Now, I do believe these reflective accents were added just because this being a hiking running shoe, if you're out at night, you're gonna want to be high vis, which means highly visible, and these will help with that. Now, I love the chunky silhouette. It's just a nod to the older shoes from back in the 90s. All these shoes, all these new silhouettes, man, are great. Freaking from Sikana and Pharrell, Easy and freaking, you know, Adidas. Tyler and Converse with the Giannos here. You got the Triple S by Balenciaga, the Mallows. I believe the Mallows are by Givenchy. So I'm just loving these new silhouettes. I feel like we've been stuck in like a doldrum sneaker fashion for years. So this is refreshing to see, guys. So here's a closer look again on feet. You guys can see these accents a lot better now. You see the bottom, that high traction rubber. Golf the floor printing on the bottom, and there you go, guys. Let's wrap this video up.
Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's video. I hope the information presented in this video will help you all come to an informed decision on whether or not you're going to purchase the Gianno Ox Parfait Pink colorway. In my opinion, it's a very versatile shoe that could complement any wardrobe, whether you're going out, you know, party with your friends and you need that lit fit, or you're going out for just a walk. The Gianno Ox can complement it. If you guys want to get in contact with me, the quickest, most efficient way would be via Instagram, just simply because that's where I'm most active and there's a lot less comments to respond to. I really try to respond to most comments on YouTube, but I really do so within like the first 10 minutes. So after the first 10 minutes of the video, of me uploading the video, the chances of me responding get slimmer and slimmer just because there's so many comments. But I promise you guys, inbox me on Instagram and I will get to you. Give me about a day or two, but I promise you I will get to you with any questions. So I know you all been on me about those golf FLEUR fits. You want to see them on, I know. But as the great Lady Sarah Bellum, Erykah Badu would say,
I'm an artist and I'm sensitive about my shit.
You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm throwing these fits together very meticulously. I'm literally waiting for 2 items, guys. 2 items. They're the same item. They're berets from this company called L'Hair in French. And those are the last 2 I'm waiting for. I have to go get my sports jacket tailored and taken up a bit because it's just like fucking eating my watch. So I'm trying to get this right before I bring this out, guys. All right, I promise you it's coming though. I've got photo shoots that are coming up as well. So, you know, it's coming. It's happening, all right? You know, so keep rocking out with me. We got one more video till the end of the year. Taikyokills has been real. Stay lit. I'm out.